In the world of cricket, where talent meets determination, and dreams meet dedication, there emerges a star in the making. Today, we turn the spotlight on one of New Zealand's rising cricketing talents, Rachin Ravindra. He's a name that's been making waves in both domestic and international cricket, and in this video, we'll explore the journey, skills, and aspirations of this gifted all-rounder. From a young cricket enthusiast in Wellington to a rising star on the international stage, Rachin Ravindra's story is one of passion, perseverance, and promise. Join us as we delve into the world of Rachin Ravindra and discover the driving force behind his rise in the world of cricket. Meet Rachin Ravindra, one of the rising stars of New Zealand cricket. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the career and achievements of this talented all-rounder. Rachin Ravindra was born on September 20, 1999, in Wellington, New Zealand. He was introduced to cricket at a young age and showed immense promise from the start. As Rachin Ravindra said, "Cricket has always been a passion for me, and I started playing at the local club. It was a dream come true to represent New Zealand one day." Rachin's impressive performances in domestic and age group cricket didn't go unnoticed. His talent with both bat and ball set him on the path to becoming a future star. His consistent performances for Wellington in the Plunket Shield and in youth internationals highlighted his potential. Rachin made his international debut for New Zealand in 2021 in a match against Bangladesh. In that match, he impressed with his contributions such as bowling figures or a crucial partnership and left a mark as a promising all-rounder. What makes Rachin Ravindra stand out is his ability to contribute with both the bat and ball. He has a stylish left-handed batting technique and a knack for picking up crucial wickets with his spin bowling. As of Rachin Ravindra said, "I've been fortunate to have some great mentors and role models in my career." Rachin's dedication to the game and his willingness to learn from the best have contributed to his growth as a cricketer. Rachin Ravindra has been a valuable asset to the New Zealand cricket team. He played a crucial role in matches against many international teams with great performances. As statement given by Rachin Ravindra, "I have big dreams for my cricketing career. I want to be a consistent performer for New Zealand and help the team achieve success in major tournaments." Rachin has his sights set on upcoming tournaments like World Cup 2023 and aims to make a significant impact. Rachin Ravindra is a name to watch out for in the world of cricket. With his talent, determination, and love for the game, he's poised for a bright future in New Zealand cricket. As we conclude our journey through the life and career of Rachin Ravindra, we're left with a deep appreciation for his talent, dedication, and the promising future that lies ahead. From a young cricket enthusiast in Wellington to representing New Zealand on the international stage, Rachin's story is one of inspiration and aspiration. With each inning he plays, each wicket he takes, and each boundary he scores, Rachin Ravindra continues to carve his name in the annals of New Zealand cricket history. The cricketing world awaits in anticipation for the next chapter in this young all-rounder's journey. So, keep an eye out for Rachin Ravindra as he aims to shine on the global stage in the years to come. Thank you for joining us in celebrating the cricketing prowess of Rachin Ravindra. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more inspiring cricket stories. Until next time, this is Sean Orson, signing off. Goodbye and see you in the next video.